If someone asked you, what does a property manager do? You might say, collect rent, handle maintenance, screen tenants. And you'd be right, but only partly. Because the role of a property manager is evolving fast. Today's property managers are expected to be marketers, financial advisors, tech experts, and customer service pros, all rolled into one. In this video, we'll break down the core responsibilities every property manager should master and the new expectations that are reshaping the industry. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our full library of videos to stay ahead of the curve. Let's start with the fundamentals. These are the day-to-day responsibilities that form the backbone of property management, the ones you're most likely already doing. Rent collection, making sure rent is paid on time, enforcing late fees, and managing payment records. Maintenance and repairs, coordinating routine maintenance, handling emergency repairs, and keeping properties in top shape. Tenant screening, running background checks, verifying income, and ensuring compliance with fair housing laws. Listing vacant properties, marketing units, scheduling showings, and keeping vacancy rates low. Inspections, conducting move-in, move-out, and annual inspections to protect the property and document its condition. Unit turnover, managing the process between tenants. Cleaning, repairs, and getting the unit ready for the next resident. But here's where things get interesting. According to our industry report, property managers are being asked to do more than ever before. Owners want more value, residents expect more service, and the market is more competitive. Here's what's new. Number 1, help owners grow their portfolios. Property managers are now expected to help clients identify investment opportunities, expand into new markets, and even manage acquisitions. Number 2, offer financial and investment advice. More owners are asking for help with profitability, tax strategy, and long-term planning. Number 3, provide transparent reporting. Owners want real-time access to financials, maintenance logs, and performance metrics. That means property managers need to deliver detailed, digestible reports, often through owner portals. Number 4, leverage technology to improve efficiency. From AI-powered chatbots to automated leasing workflows, tech is no longer optional. Property managers are expected to use tools that streamline operations and improve the resident experience. Number 5, deliver strategic customer service. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about anticipating them. Property managers are building loyalty by offering concierge-level service to both owners and residents. Number 6, educate owners on compliance and risk. With regulations changing constantly, owners rely on property managers to keep them compliant and out of legal trouble. Number 7, expand services. Many PMCs are now offering construction management, renovation oversight, and even real estate brokerage services to stay competitive. So what does this mean for you? If you're a property manager, it's time to think beyond the basics. The most successful PMCs are the ones that embrace technology, offer strategic guidance, and deliver a level of service that sets them apart. The role of a property manager is changing, and that's a good thing. It's your opportunity to grow, differentiate, and lead. Want to dive deeper into these trends? Check out the links in the description. Ready to see how software can help you meet these new expectations? Try Buildium's 14-day free trial, no credit card required, or schedule a demo. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like this.